In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show subtasks on a calendar in Asana. The process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, making your task management even more efficient. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Asana website. Once there, log in with your credentials. You'll need to input your email address first. Type it in the designated field and click the continue button. After that, you should enter your password and then hit login. This will take you to your Asana homepage. When you first glance at the project's calendar view, you might notice that subtasks aren't readily visible. That's because Asana doesn't automatically include subtasks in the project's calendar view. But don't worry, displaying these subtasks is quite straightforward once you know what to do. To start, navigate to the project where your subtasks reside. Click on the specific project you're working on. Once inside the project, you'll want to look at the task details. This is where you'll manage the relationship between tasks and subtasks. Click to open the task details. Here comes the critical part, manually associating each subtask with the project's calendar. You'll need to click and drag the subtask from its parent task into whichever section you prefer it to reside as a standalone task. This action effectively promotes the subtask to a task level, thereby making it visible in both the project list and the calendar view. It's a neat workaround since Asana treats these tasks independently once you've manually moved them. After reassigning the subtask, it's time to view everything on the calendar. Locate the calendar at the top of your Asana interface and click on it. This view gives you a comprehensive look at all your tasks, now including the ones you've just modified. To customize your calendar further, you might want to add a filter. Click on Add a Filter option to specify certain parameters, like viewing tasks from specific months. Select the months you want to view in the filtered calendar to refine the display according to your current needs. This is particularly useful for long-term planning or when managing projects over extended periods. With these steps completed, you should now see all of your tasks on the calendar, including the subtasks you've manually promoted. And there you have it. The subtasks, now visible on your calendar, provide you with a fuller picture of your project timeline and help ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Thank you for joining me today. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to master task visibility in Asana, fostering improved organization and productivity in your projects. Feel free to explore other features in Asana to further enhance your workflow. Happy organizing!